Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to update TikTok. So if you don't have the updated version of TikTok, so just you have to back of this TikTok app, go for your Play Store app and search for TikTok. Okay, so you can see uh, here is the open option is showing, but because my TikTok is already updated, but you don't have the updated version. You can see here in this open section, you can see update option here. So you have to just click on this update button, and your TikTok app will be updated. So this is how you can update TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you.